Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to enable unknown sources on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Then scroll down. Scroll down until you find the security and privacy option. Now scroll down to more security and, well, it should be this option here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now enter this option. Next, what you need to do is enable this option for all the internet browsers you have on your phone. After that, you'll also need to do the same thing for the yellow My Files folder. Enable this option in the yellow folder and also in all the internet browsers on your phone. By doing this, you'll already be able to install apps from unknown sources. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.